another level, on another level, on another one above me.
I came across a post that someone said, hey, that they are going to set up a wall control for their gym equipment. And when I looked at the picture, I'm realizing we can build all of this stuff or we can build the majority of this stuff with the basic core F2 training system parts. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how to create a lot of these similar products that you see with these basic setup that you now have with your F2 training system. First one, which you've already been introduced to, is the
F2 grasp handle.
You're just screwing it right on them. This is one of the most basic pieces. And what we can also use is F2 mini wrench to make it tight. Now we're also going to make it so that you can take your mini wrench and stick it inside of here since we use our tool so much. That's going to be in the next feature. But what we have now are the
Threaded end caps.
So now we've even extended the length of the handle. So that's our F2 grasp handle. But if we come back here, take it back off, we can come over here, screw it back in, and we are going to have our rotating eyeball. But guess what? Even after we have the rotating eyeball, place in our additional threaded connector, take our end cap, align it however we want, exposing the thread.
Attach the new smooth F2 grip ball.
And now we have the handle with a stopper. Again, this is going to be great for triceps. You can also do your pullovers. And now we can add in the RT hook into the threaded connector. This is going to allow us to use the same handle with flat bands. And then we can create our flat band handle. And this is going to be great for doing triceps or pullovers or pull downs. Because one of the, in my opinion, sloppiest forms that happens with resistance band training is tricep work. It's just not conducive for it. But with this, you can easily connect your flat band hanger to a door or however you want to pull it down. We now have that option. But let's take it one other level. Let's create a tricep push-down bar, a traditional tricep push-down bar using this. How are we going to do that? So what we're going to do is we'll get our original F2 threaded connector, the middle adapter, put in our F2 bolt. I bet some of you can already see where we're going with this. Lock it in place. Again, I'll just do it quickly. And what are we doing? We're screwing it on right here. We now have our traditional tricep push down or pullover. If I were to use this, again, different variations. One version of it with the end cap, one version of it with the smooth side. So you want to talk about wall control. This is the ultimate training system for not only keeping your equipment efficient, saving money, if you enjoy the process of putting together your equipment. So I hope that helps and gives you some more ideas on how you can tweak your F2 training system to solve more than one problem. Hoorah, I'm out.
On another one above me. Step into the crowd.